Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to add captions on CapCut. Adding captions in CapCut is best done using the auto captions feature, which automatically transcribes audio. Open your project and tab captions here. It used to be inside text, but now it's outside. So press captions, right? And it can generate from video or voiceover if you recorded using your audio. Okay. And of course, select your spoken language. What language did you speak? If you spoke English, then just keep it in English. If you spoke a different language, then select your native language. Right? And here, of course, you're going to see templates, which you can choose from, right? But you need to upgrade. So I'm going to keep it on the free version or the default version and hit generate. All I got to do is just wait for a few moments. And you're going to see the final results. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.